Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm. Wanted to talk to you guys for a minute about other types of claims or cases that might be able to be pursued in addition to workers' compensation claims while being hurt on the job. Now, the Alabama Work Comp Act and the laws and the cases that interpret it are a very strict set of laws that really says you can only bring a lawsuit against your employer for these types of being hurt on the job. Unfortunately, the benefits, the compensation are quite minimal under the Act, so we always look to see whether or not there are other types of claims, other avenues that we can pursue in addition to a comp claim. For example, in situations where a third party's negligence has caused injury. Let's take a car wreck, for example. Let's say you're a delivery driver for your company and another car crashes into you causing your injuries. Well, you've got a work comp claim most of the time in this situation, but you could also potentially pursue damages which could be for compensatory and or punitive damages against the driver or the insurance company that caused your accident. Now, there are other nuances within the law, such as subrogation, which is reimbursement by the insurance carrier for the medical care that they provided in these types of cases. But that's just one example, the negligence of a third party. Another example might be, what about the intentional conduct of a co-employee? Now, those cases are very difficult to win, but you've got to be able to show that there was intent by the co-worker to harm you, to cause injury. And as you can imagine, those are pretty difficult to win, but those are the types of cases that are also permissible in addition to the straight run-of-the-mill workers' comp claim. There's a third type of case that we look at, and it deals with the removal of a safety guard or a device. And it doesn't just have to be the actual removal. It could be the failure to maintain it. It could be the failure to install it. It could be bypassing a guard. I mean, there's several different varieties of this same type of a claim. But if you think about this situation, this could be working in a processing plant where there is a machine that creates or cuts or helps to form certain products, and you work on the line dealing with this machine. But to make the process more efficient or to move more quickly, the guard is altered, removed, broken, not maintained, etc. So anyway, those are three types of claims that we look at in addition to a workers' compensation claim. If you have questions or concerns about that, please give us a call at the Nomberg Law Firm, 205-930-6900 in Birmingham. We have cases statewide. Our website is nomberglaw.com. We also can be found on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks.